So we got up early, head down to the airstrip, get ready to jump in the planes for the flight to Lake Eyre. It's dark.
Morning, Talia.
Morning.
I'm Glenn, how are you?
Good to see you.
Business class up to the left, is it?
Yeah, that's right.
So here's this little girl who's young enough to be my daughter, but you know, I rapidly realised that she's one of the most efficient pilots around. At one stage she was the youngest chief pilot in Australia.
Just as we're taking off, just noticed the sun ready to start cracking into the sky. I guess I felt a little bit privileged to be seeing the lake with water in it, because it doesn't happen very often.
Lake Eyre from the air, wow. Just a bird's eye view, like being an eagle and seeing the colours and the dimensions and how that mirror effect. I've heard about it, but I've never seen it. And until you've seen it, you just don't realise how special this is.
The flight over Lake Eyre was very special. It's something that's on a lot of people's bucket list, and I got to do it. I got to do it at sunrise, which was very special. The colours in the lake, the reflection in the lake. We are actually very lucky to see it with water in it.
It was beautiful, there was no wind or anything like that. Yeah, it was sort of a once in a lifetime opportunity, I think.